Hello students, today we will be going to learn how to insert image in our web page. So let's start. First I am giving head and title. The head, first giving title given image, and heading each one align equals to center, inserting image. And each one I have closed. Now we will save. So we will save in new folder F HTML, and there I'm giving the name, suppose image test.html. Now HTML tag I have not closed, so I'm closing the HTML tag. Now I will start the body tag. So in body, the tag for inserting image is img. img is the tag that is used for inserting image. Its attribute is src. So src equals to, here which image I want to insert, that I have to specify inside the double quotation. Then I will close the img tag. Now I have to search the location of the image. For that purpose, I have already saved image in F drive HTML image. Suppose this image I want to take. So the name of the image is Cresco graph. I'm copying the name of the image Cresco graph, and I'm pasting it here, crescograph.jpg. Now this image, I will give the full location or the path of the file. Path of the file is this: f html image. So I will write f colon slash then html. So I will type here html, then slash, next subfolder is image. So I will type image, then slash, then crescograph.jpg. I will save it. Now let's check whether our image has come or not. So f colon html, our file name is image test.html. So we will write here image test.html and we will press enter. So see, the image has come here. If we do a little mistake, the image will not come. Now I am showing you what are the mistake that we sometimes do, because of which we used to get here a cross mark. First, suppose here I have given an unnecessary space and I saved it. Now see here, so the image has not come. My mistake is I have given here unnecessary space. That is the first thing. If Anywhere I have done anything wrong here, suppose HTML, I have not typed ML, I have typed HTM. Then also, now if we refresh, you check, it's not coming. So I have to correct it. When I will give the correct path, so the image will come. So refresh it, see the image has come. Here, suppose again, if there is a spelling mistake or something else here, or say a extra space I have given unnecessarily, anything it might be, so it will come like this. So that means a little mistake creates a lots of problems. See here, there is an extra space, I'm saving it. So see, the image has not come. So now see, the image has come. Now if we want to place the image at the center, we can place it at the center like this. There is a tag called P. P stands for paragraph. So I am writing here line equals to center, and inside P I have written align equals to center. Let's save it. See, the image came at the central location. One more thing is here, two more attributes of IMG are there. One is height and another is width. So first height. Suppose height I am giving 150. Stands for pixels. 150 pixel. Pixel means, see, look at this cursor. So whenever the cursor, anywhere I am clicking, one dot used to come. That dot is a pixel. So here 150 pixel, width also I am giving 150. So 150 pixel. Now let's refresh. So see how it's look like. So you can change the height and width of the image as per your wish. So here I am writing suppose 250, width is 250, saving it. So see here. Now after this, below I want to write a little bit of about the image. Suppose crestograph. Crestograph was invented by Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose. By this machine, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose, I will copy. By this machine, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose had proved that plants have life. So see here, after this, it is coming. Crescograph was invented by Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose. By this machine, Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose had proved that plants have life. So now, this part to this part is central aligned. If you want that the image should be coming here and below the text should come, then we will use one more thing that is called BR. So BR stands for breaking space. So we will use it as a line break. BR. BR is an empty element. Hence, see here, looks like this. So once more, I'm showing you by inserting another one. P align center, and this part I'm copying. And after P, I'm pasting slash P. Now I want to insert, suppose, the image of JC Bose. So this is JC Bose. I'm copying the image JC Bose and I am pasting here. Now let's see. So look here, the image crestograph. After that, we have written about a little bit of crestograph, and JC Bose is also coming. So in this way, you can insert image in your web page as per your convenience. One more thing I'm showing you, where to search the image and how to find the image. You can copy certain image from internet, or you can search image, inbuilt image from your system also. You can click on this PC. So when you click on this PC, you'll be finding all your drives will be available here. Now here I am writing star dot jpg, star.jpg, here at the right side, the search box. Star means find all the files, dot jpg, extension is jpg. So jpg and gif are the two extensions that we use to search the image, and the default extensions of this image are .jpg or .gif. So that is supported by the internet. Now here you will be finding lots of files are there, and along with that the locations are also you have to find. Easiest way is that whichever image you want to find, you can take one image, and suppose let's find out a good image from here. Uh, let's see how it looks like. Let it come. Okay, this is there. Let's see something more is there or not. Dark blue grid. Let's see this one. How it's look like. Then we will copy this file to our folder HTML. And from there we will link it to our HTML code. Here though nothing is coming. Let's see, more images are there. From here if we can find something good. Let's take this one. I have done right click. I am copying the file. Then we will go to our folder. Our folder was in F HTML. So in HTML, in image, suppose I have pasted that particular file. Now this file is welcome scan. So we will link this particular file. So I have copied the file. I have pasted the file here, welcome scan. By default, the extension is .jpg. Now I will use my image src and everything here. Copied, pasted, and welcome scan.jpg. I have cut and I will paste here, and here I am making it 400. So height and width little bit I have increased. Now let's see how our web page will look like. So see here, our web page is looking like this. Now you might be thinking why it is coming at the left, because I have not chosen T align center, number one thing, and by default the alignment is left. So in this way we can insert image in our web page. So try this at home. You'll be finding your web page will be looking more beautiful after inserting image. Bye bye.